Dongguan Jiangjun Hardware Company Limited is in the area of Industrial 4.0, where smart manufacturing is rapidly developing. A professional manufacturer specializing in the design, manufacture, sales, and service of high-end precision metal and plastic parts and electronic parts assembly. The company has years of experience in metal and hardware, plastic product design, development, manufacturing and assembly, deep processing service. Our enterprise spirit: strict management, quality, courage, and the world. Our corporate motto: customer satisfaction is our eternal pursuit. Our business philosophy: think of what others think. Be anxious about the urgency of others and maintain a grateful attitude to carry out work. Quality policy: survive by quality, develop by quality, and benefit from quality.